highly fortunate girls to have Bakhtiyar Chaudhary sir as our guest.
Change your focus. My dear parent, please open your ears and listen to me. My dear teachers, please, when you go to class, first 10 minutes आप एक कहानी बोलो, छोटा सा story. How people have excelled. Where are the scientists? Still we are putting the photographs of Einstein only. Where is the new generation scientist? Because our approach towards education is not good. You are exercising to put this photograph in your Facebook, Instagram instantly. And you are not worried about benefits of exercise. You are worried about for whom you have put. To your girlfriend, boyfriend, or your colleagues, your peers. अरे जिंदगी खुद के लिए जियो, not for others. And large number of them developed indoor habit, and thanks to Corona also, exercise or physical activity. These are lifelong effects. इनको आप continue करना चाहिए. Peer pressure. Don't come into pressure, but draw inspiration from peers. Don't get influenced. Learn. Only influence is on the learning. Remember, exercise behavior is like any other behavior. Do for yourself. Do it regularly. Do easier things. Learn complex things later. And don't depend too much on Google IQ. Definitely take opinion of experts and enjoy life. Meeting people. Now we are online. Offline meeting is really reduced. But whenever there is an opportunity, you put a mask here and you maintain your distance at least 1 meter and you can still meet. Don't be face to face. You sit in at an angle because coronavirus spreads from one person to one other person. When you sit straight more than 15 minutes without mask, when you talk straight into somebody's face, not only coughing and sneezing, even talking, but definitely meeting people. You must meet very often. Today, an average student of 12th class definitely tasted some beer, some alcohol. And imagine there are bars and pubs open for women for a free wine on one day in a week. What does it mean? They want to encourage women to get drunk and get addicted to it. Lot of women organizations, teachers, parents, they don't oppose these. These are the dangers of society. You be very aware. Girls do not consume alcohol at all. In Hyderabad, lots of women and young girls drink alcohol. I have witnessed many times young girls of degree college students getting drunk in pubs, vomiting there. You are giving a chance to somebody else to misbehave with you. A girl who behaves properly will not give any opportunity to anybody. You should be cautious. Do not walk across alone in the night. Do not go to the danger places. Do not drink cool drinks, juices. Even if a known person offers in some party, do not drink. You never know, somebody can mix something. Save yourself. Because police forces only can come later, but damage is done. If you want to drink beer, beer at home, drink at home. Don't drink outside. You may drink more outside. You may go out of your behavior. You may meet within a road accident. Dear parents, yes, you be very judicious. Don't be too Hitler attitude person. At the same time, don't be too flexible. You need to have a moderate control on everything. And you are the role model. You have kidney, liver, spleen, cell phone. More than 3 minutes of if you talk you had on a cell phone, it can increase the cell phone temperature by 1 degree centigrade. That can cause a infrared radiation on your eardrum and other temporal lobe of your brain. And most of the androids emit 0.5 to 1.2 gigahertz of microwaves. These microwaves can bombard your brain. This man with his children with all bags, so much of responsibility behind, and irresponsibly is talking on a phone. अरे गाड़ी रोक के बात करो ना. 3 people are face to face. Each one is separated by Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi has separated wife and I. He is on road, she is on phone. What is going to happen next minute? We do not know. Don't become sick of gadgets. Yes, you must have a very good phone. Use it judiciously. Have appropriate apps. Do not put all the time near your head. Your memory will go, hearing will go. Microwave radiation will damage your brain. Very early you will develop aged symptoms. Use judiciously. Lot of students have lifestyle habits which are very, very poor. So I start with the parents, because if parents don't eat food in time, how the hell your child is going to eat in time? The best families in this world are the families who eat breakfast, all of them together before 8 a.m. If you're eating before 8 a.m., and small children, young babies, they watch their mothers eating. If mother is not eating, baby thinks this is not necessary to eat. Timing means a circadian rhythm. Body runs with a biological clock. Toilet, bath, dressing, eating food, sleeping, exercise, everything runs with a time cycle. People who do not eat breakfast in time, other foods, they all become obese. They all get into hypothyroidism disease. So timely food is related to your life. Then secondly, staple food. Pura Hyderabad today is eating chapati, wheat. But actually Hyderabad is belonging to South India. We are Dravidians. All Dravidian staple food is rice. Some say glycemic index, some say glycemic load, some say something. But all the people in the world, 85% eat only rice, and they are much better off than Indians. All Japanese eat rice 3 times. They have a least diabetes. Regional food is very, very important. Full day you're sitting job and you're eating 2 biryanis in a day. Unreasonably too much of food. Smaller quantity. In time. Good composition of your food. Remember, nutrition and exercise all have to be done in a proper format. There are a lot of gyms, lot of dietitians, lot of advisors in the WhatsApp, Facebook, so many people advising. 90% of them are wrong. If somebody advises you to eat anything, you question them. 10 questions. Why should I? How? From where? Where it is written? Who told you? You ask 10 questions. Do not change your food habit. If you're lethargy, if you're obese, if your thyroid gland is not functioning, lot of young people are getting married, they have no children. Just because some heroine got a child at 35 years, everybody think they can have. 24 year itself is little late for first baby. If you do not look after your life, if you do not eat in time, if you're not active person, if you're not a happy person, all that we get is this cycle. All these cause stress, and stress causes all these. This is a kind of a vicious cycle. So don't live for others, only look after others. You live for yourself, your body. Selfishly look after your body. శరీరం గురించి మాత్రము మీ స్వార్థం మంచిది, కానీ వేరే అన్ని విషయాలు స్వార్థం అక్కర్లేదు. Maintain your good body weight. Check for your thyroids at a young age. And don't get married too late and become infertile. Diabetes is not a big disease where you cannot manage. Don't fear for about it. Do not develop pain because of poor fitness. Do not allow stress to bother you. Handle stress carefully. Cope with the stress. So cause and effect method is very, very important. If you cannot look after one child, how can a teacher look after and train 40 children? Is it possible? अरे बाबा, हम एक बच्चे को हम नहीं पाल सकते प्रॉपरली, तो टीचर 40 बच्चों को कैसे पालेगी? Don't think too much about marks, but learning is important. I asked the other day one potassium permanganate formula. She didn't tell me. So my dear teachers, please, if there is an opportunity, teach them some practicals, or you have a lot of experience of learning of practicals, at least share them. So, parent, teacher, my dear students, you have come to a nice college today, and so many people are watching today. How you are going to be? Choose a passionate path, what you like, a nice path where you can prove yourself, develop an identity. Your parents should be known by your name. My dear colleges, administrators, money making is one side, but all of you are making good colleges and contributing opportunity for education to people. Be responsible to provide the correct amount of facilities. Be responsible to pay good to your staff. If you pay more money to your teacher, your watchman, they will do their duties very well. Don't be miser towards your teaching staff. We spend crores of rupees for building, but to give 100 rupees increment for teacher, I have seen colleges, they cry. An expert, a teacher, faculty, maybe a guest faculty, they must be given proper amount of fees so that they will provide from their heart good education. After all, everybody is at the end, they work for money. Money is an outcome of your occupation. Give good opportunity to your teachers and staff and everybody at all levels so that they have a very nice coordination between a parent, teacher, student. My dear parents, don't bombard the teachers and lecturers because it is your responsibility too. You have to eat with your child, you have to exercise with your child, you have to show how good you can dress with your child. And child is watching everybody. All the students are watching everyone because they are growing in the form of learning. Learning is their growth. So what are we showing the student? I appeal to the whole society. Let us show something to this new student. My dear students, you are all very intelligent. I love you because you are more intelligent than me. And you are more intelligent than yesteryear students. It's not a fingertip, it's a finger trip. Whole world is there at fingertip. You can reach anywhere. You can go to the moon, Mars. But we need to do a very, very sensible contribution. Learn properly. Learning process is a continuous process. The day a human being stops learning, and it is equivalent to stops living. At least I am happy because I try to learn every day something new. And people who are going to live long, live healthy, are better learners. Don't develop enmity, don't be angry, be very friendly, create a very, very nice, smooth, ambient environment. Love your nature, get connected to nature, save animals, be sympathetic, be empathetic to people and animals and environment. Education is not just marks and your college and a degree. It is your whole soul responsibility to be a citizen of this nation and a human being on this planet. I am sure all the students are going to not to get stressed and they're going to really create a wonderful name to their parents, college and students and to me also because I am teaching this lesson today. I am not orienting you to college. I am orienting you towards a life.